Right now, inside you, live trillions of organisms that are not you. They outnumber every human cell in your body, and they are voting on your health. You carry roughly 39 trillion microbial cells, 30 trillion of your own. Your DNA is fixed the day you are born. This other genome is not. Scientists now call it a second genome, one you can actually rewrite. Your human genes number around 23,000. Your microbes carry millions more. So which one really decides whether you get sick? The answer surprised everyone. For a century, medicine chased genes as destiny, your fate written in code. But most common diseases resist that story. Genes explain only a fraction. Antonie van Leeuwenhoek first saw them in 1683, scraping his own teeth. Under his lens swam what he called tiny animalcules, alive in every mouth. For 3 centuries, we saw microbes only as invaders to be killed. The word microbiome names the full community of bacteria, fungi, and viruses inside you. Most of them cluster in your gut, especially the dark folds of your colon. A healthy gut hosts up to 1,000 different bacterial species. Together, they weigh roughly 200 grams, less than a can of soup. In 2007, the world launched a project to map this hidden ecosystem. Jeffrey Gordon at Washington University became the founding father of this field. Gordon asked a strange question: could gut microbes make a mouse fat? His team raised mice in total sterility, with no microbes at all. These germ-free mice ate more yet stayed strangely, stubbornly lean. Then his team transplanted gut bacteria from ordinary mice into them. Body fat jumped 60% within 2 weeks, same food, new microbes. In 2013, Gordon went further, using human twins as living donors. One twin was lean, the other obese, sharing nearly identical genes. He transplanted each twin's microbes into separate germ-free mice. The mouse with obese microbes grew fat, the lean donor's mouse stayed slim. Same genes, same diet, different bacteria, different bodies entirely. Rob Knight at UC San Diego took the question to the whole planet. His American Gut Project sampled thousands of people's microbes by mail. The finding that stunned him: dietary diversity mattered more than anything. People eating over 30 plant types weekly had far richer gut communities. Those microbes ferment fiber into compounds that calm inflammation across your body. They are called short-chain fatty acids, and they feed your gut lining. Without fiber, those bacteria starve, then begin eating your protective mucus wall. Your microbes also talk directly to your brain through the vagus nerve. They help produce 90% of your body's serotonin in the gut. Studies link certain gut profiles to anxiety, depression, even Parkinson's disease. Imran Mayer at UCLA maps this constant gut-brain conversation. The chatter never stops. Your gut sends far more signals up than down. There is even a treatment now, a transplant of healthy stool. For recurrent C. diff infections, it clears the infection in over 80% of patients. But here is what changes everything: your genes are not your destiny at all. You inherit your first microbes from your mother in the birth canal. The genome you cannot change matters less than the one you feed daily. Every meal is an instruction sent to trillions of living tenants. Stress in processed food can flatten that. Diversity in days, antibiotics when needed can too. But the community rebuilds fast when you feed it plants and fiber. Some diversity begins recovering within 2 to 4 weeks of better eating. You cannot swap your DNA, but you reshape this second genome every day. Next time you eat, remember, you are feeding trillions who decide your health.